Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many of us, leaky gut syndrome. We'll explore what it is, how it impacts your health, and most importantly, how you can heal it through diet and lifestyle changes. Now, before we explore how to heal leaky gut, let's take a closer look at what exactly this syndrome entails. The digestive system is a complex system that breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and gets rid of waste. It is very amazing. The gut lining, which selectively permits nutrients to enter the bloodstream while blocking pathogens and poisons, is the fundamental component of this system. However, when this gut lining becomes compromised, a condition known as leaky gut syndrome occurs. Picture it like a damaged fence in a garden, allowing unwanted pests to infiltrate and wreak havoc. When a person has leaky gut syndrome, their weak stomach lining lets bacteria, poisons, and undigested food particles seep into their blood. This sets off an immunological reaction that causes inflammation and a host of other health problems. What causes this compromise in the gut lining, you may ask? Well, there are several factors at play, including poor diet. Consuming processed foods, refined sugars, gluten, dairy, and other allergens can inflame the gut lining and contribute to leaky gut. Chronic stress. Stress hormones can disrupt the delicate balance of the gut microbiome and compromise the integrity of the gut lining. Imbalance in gut microbiota, an imbalance in the gut flora caused by factors like antibiotic use or a diet lacking in fiber, can contribute to gut permeability. Environmental toxins. Exposure to environmental toxins like pesticides, heavy metals, and pollutants can damage the gut lining and increase permeability. As you can see, there are many contributing variables to leaky gut syndrome, making it a complex disorder. In order to treat the underlying cause of gut dysfunction and restore equilibrium, it is imperative to comprehend these aspects. Now that we understand the problem, let's move on to the solution: healing through diet. The foundation of healing leaky gut lies in a nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory diet. Here are some key principles to follow. Remove trigger foods. Cut out processed foods, refined sugars, gluten, dairy, and other common allergens that can exacerbate gut inflammation. Focus on whole foods. Load up on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods to provide essential nutrients and support gut health. Incorporate gut-healing foods. Include bone broth, fermented foods like sauerkraut and kefir, and omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds to nourish and repair the gut lining. It's important to consider how you eat in addition to what you eat. Chew food well, eat slowly, and drink enough of water to aid with digestion and nutrient absorption. In addition to diet, lifestyle factors play a crucial role in healing leaky gut. Here are some tips to incorporate into your daily routine. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and disrupt gut function. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to promote healing and repair processes within the body, including the gut. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts circulation, reduces inflammation, and supports overall gut health. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Remember, healing leaky gut is a journey that requires patience and consistency. By adopting a gut-friendly diet and making positive lifestyle changes, you can support your body's natural healing processes and reclaim your health. That concludes the video for today. Thank you for joining us on this journey to heal leaky gut. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on optimizing your health. Until next time, take care and prioritize your gut health.